Treasure hunting SWPA here. I'm out here today just doing a little poking around. It's supposed to rain and it looks like it's going to start any time now. Well, I basically came out here just to test my machine and see if it's still working because I'm not really sure. But I just got here like 10 minutes ago. But I just found a little old Pepsi bottle. Don't know how old it is, but it's in nice shape, so I'm going to keep it anyway. And right where I was just standing, I just found a toy gun sticking half out of the ground. Hubbly. Pretty cool. See, that's how they you. Oh, this park is for everybody to use, except for anybody that wants to walk on it or touch it. Meanwhile, there's garbage everywhere. Yeah, it's a wetland area. Hey, look at that wetland area. Hey, there's that medicine bottle in the wetland area. Like Mountain Bouncer would say, hey ho, huck America! I was walking up to a place where there used to be a rugby field, but I'm not even going to bother because I know that there's going to be a sign there that says wetland area. Do not enter or go to Gulag. So I'm just going to go back to the other place where the foundation was. Because this is pointless. There used to be a rugby field back there, and then in like the 60s, for some reason, they diverted the creek through where the rugby field was. They just created a bunch of bends in the creek for some reason. And then, but there's a spot on the other side. I mean, like, you could definitely detect it. It still looked untouched. But since I'm sure it's probably a designated wetland area now, it's pointless. Maybe another day when I have time I'll go up there and look at it. Check out this black locust tree. Those are all spines. How'd you like to ram your head into that? Wow. Check out what I just about tripped on. You see that? I freaking tripped on it. Still has part of the handle. That don't look that old. Huh. There's one of them out. Not catching sun because it's not sunny today at all, but it's warm enough. What do you say, little buddy? Alright, well, I'll leave him be. Haven't found much yet. I found a shotgun, spent shotgun shell, that pick, some can tops and bottle tops. Nothing special. I don't think that pick is very old, so I set it up against a tree, and I may pick it up next time. I don't really know, because it's not very rusty and there's asphalt stuck to it, so I'm pretty sure that's fairly recent. Probably working on the road next to where I found it. So alright, I'm back over here by where the house used to sit a long time ago, and I just dug up this. It was saying coin at 6 inches, but it's, as you can see, it's not a coin. But I'm fairly certain that's silver. Sure looks like it. I don't see anything on it, so I don't know what it was. Alright, well, I don't know. On to the next. It's a good day for tools, I guess. That's a nice axe head right there. It's like 7 inches down. Alright. Okay, well, doesn't this just figure? I just found my first coin. It's a silver coin. And here comes the rain. It's starting to rain. Hey, I see a reeded edge there. What's this? I'm not sure, but I think that's Canadian. Or yeah, don't ask if I brought my water, because you know damn well I didn't. I forgot it. I always bring tea. I'm addicted to iced tea, so I always bring tea. And I'm not washing my coins in iced tea. I don't know what that is. I don't know if I should rub on it or not. Yeah, just a little, because I ain't selling anyway. Okay, well, my battery